She's body slamming me a little bit. Oh, you want a belly rub? Is that what you want? Is that what you want? Kristen and Nelson have a charming home with a not-so-charming bathroom. Now, they'd like to give it an upgrade, but with 5 of them sharing that one space, they can't afford to have it at a commission. So I am gonna renovate their bathroom in a day. Oh, okay, this is the bathroom, huh?
This is the bathroom.
It is.
So this is the only bathroom upstairs.
This is the only bathroom.
And there's 5 of you.
Yes.
Yes.
And a dog.
And a dog.
Yeah.
It's starting to show its wear and tear
Yeah,
here.
it's pretty tired.
Yeah.
The
Wow.
vanity's falling apart.
How long ago did you guys buy the house?
5 years.
5 years ago.
And was it in this? Was it
No.
kind of on
No,
its
it
way
looked
here?
lovely
Looked
when
awesome.
we moved in.
Oh,
We did this.
you did this.
We did this.
At least you're admitting it.
It's all us.
I think that best plan of action to be able to make over this bathroom in a day would be to rip everything out over here, start over, but we can paint the walls, we can come up with some better storage. How do you feel about that?
That's
Very
amazing.
excited.
Good. How do you feel about breaking some stuff?
I like breaking
Been wanting
stuff.
to do that.
You love breaking stuff? Okay, good. Oh boy, this is the part you didn't want me to see. Makeup sponges, earphones.
Oh, scissors.
Oh, cut it out.
Oh.
All right, enough of the jokes. Oh, you wanted to smash things.
Ah. Do I just like?
You hit it.
Okay.
Just hit it.
Oh.
That's all you got?
Yeah,
What does she do for a living?
I'm a playwright.
You're a playwright?
Yeah.
Like what kind of plays?
Comedies.
That's hilarious. So my thoughts are, we're gonna have to do a bit of patching on the walls, and then we're gonna paint everything. But I need you guys to make some important decisions. You guys need to decide which paint you wanna put in this bathroom. You guys make that big decision, while I work on some of these big decisions.
They're both kind of nice. Like this one.
Are you guys still debating the color?
Yeah.
Come on. You want me to make the decision? I don't want to get blamed for this, so Aspen, pick one. Oh, okay. That's the one. Aspen, we're gonna paint the walls the color you pick. That looks good. That looks real good. Ready to get your bathroom back?
It's done already?
We're done. Let's go. Oh, you've been holding it all day. Let's go.
Whoa.
Holy cow!
Does it feel different?
I don't. It doesn't. I'm not even in my house. This is not.
This.
Holy mackerel!
There's a lot going on in
Totally
here,
different
isn't
now.
there? So this is my vanity that
Oh,
that I
it's
designed.
beautiful.
It's got everything you need. It's got the double drawer, and then it's got the open storage below. So you've got lots of room for storage now. Yeah. You feel better?
It's wicked. I'm so happy.
What do you guys think? Oh boy, here comes the whole family. What do you think? Does this look different?
What do you think,
Yeah.
Does it look
Ginny?
better?
You like it, Ginny?
Yeah.
Yeah. So the only thing left, guys, my only piece of advice now is, you still need a second bathroom up here.
Are you coming back next
Is there a
week?
sequel?
I'll see you later.